Let's try out Let's Get Together by the Youngbloods. Love is but a song we sing, here's the way we die. We can make the mountains ring, make the angels cry. Let's change up the strumming on that. For that beginning opening, we're going to do a strum, mute, strum, mute, strum, mute. But then the chorus is going to be an island strum. Okay. Love is but a song we sing, fears the way we die. We can make the mountains ring, let's play an intro that I learned from Uke Revolution, and she does play the whole song in the key of A, so I will also be shifting those chords over when I do the playthrough. But first, let's learn the introduction. So we start off by plucking the open E string and the open A, and then we're going to play an F sharp. That's that second fret of the E string, and then an open A again. You want to hold that string down as long as possible, because what we want to have it sound like is not right. Let's try that 4 times through. Nope, starting on the open. We played that 4 times, we switch to the second pattern. And that one is play a D note, so that's that second fret here. And I find it works well to do the first and the third finger for these things, so let's try that. So we're going to play that D by putting our finger in that second fret of the C string, and then a G. So I need to be on that third fret of the E, second fret of the E, third fret, back to my D. You're going to do that 4 times. Notice I'm keeping this finger down the whole time on the E. What we don't want it to sound like is we want a smoother sound. Let's try playing that whole intro through. So we do 4 times through the first pattern and 4 times through the second pattern. So we go directly from that into that A chord to start the song. But instead of playing the strumming on that, I think what I'm going to do is pluck that beginning. So we're going to be doing pluck the G string, pluck the other 3. Love is but a song we sing, here's the way we die. Okay, so I'm going to use that picking pattern on the first couple lines, and then after I'll switch over to strumming.